Hi everyone, welcome back again. A few weeks ago I bought this milling machine because this is a really cool and practical machine in a small workshop like mine. This is odd, but it will be good to me. The machine came with only a 13mm collet here inside the main spindle, and I tried to make an ER32 adapter in this collet size, but before to make this adapter I measured the run out of the spindle, and there was 0.05 of the millimeter, and this is not too good. I tried to regrind the taper in the main spindle. When I pulled out the spindle from the vertical head and from the quill, I find a huge problem that I have to fix it. Let me show you. Here are the parts after taking apart the quill. This is the quill body, the spindle, and any other additional parts like the locking nut, bearings, nuts, screws and washers. The big problem that I mentioned before, that was when I pulled out the quill from the vertical head, the main spindle was in two parts because it's broke a little bit after the threading. It is a really hard material, and maybe that was the reason why it broke in a two part. I would like to make the new spindle with a BT30 taper, two-holder taper. This is a much more precise solution and easy to buy any other size of this tool holder, and I think it will be a good solution. I already ordered the material that I will use to make the spindle. This is a 42 CLMO4 material. It can be hardened and a really good material for a spindle. Okay, let's start to make it.